Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Now I'm standing beside my uncle's Basmati field, and this is the only field ever the already seed has created. And behind me, this is the only field at this time, because there is other field available, but any other field has no seed is arisen yet. But this Basmati fields is arisen because Basmati is one of the demandable prices rise in our country. Last few videos I also talk about Basmati, and this is another, but this is the largest Basmati field in our area, around 0.10 acre in this field. And this field is honor of my uncle, and he is a newly joined as a farmer and farming sector also, and he's no idea about properly. But this basmati rice is looks like a thing, and but to eat it's delicious, and whatever you see our surroundings is full of the color of yellow. This is the one of the sign of basmati, and you can see that everything is beautiful, looks like it's all the afternoon time. Came here to show about this basmati. The basmati, if you don't know, you can understand about the basmati rice. Basmati rice, if I want to talk some characteristics or some styles of this basmati, this is one of them. Like this rice is grows very rapidly, and it looks like a thing, and to eat deliciously. And for this reason, this basmati price is very high, 1 per kg around 100 taka over, because it's a different kind of styles or characteristics of this basmati paddy. By the way, this is around maybe 5 to 10 mon will be, or it's around like 2 or 300 kg he will gather, or he harvesting will. But it is not the right time for harvesting. To harvest this basmati paddy, it will take at least around 1 month, because it is just started creating its paddy seed also just, but it takes many times, but not too much. But if you think about other paddy field, but this paddy, this basmati rice will come for harvesting very early, because it's early early crops for harvesting, and this is the reason. And basmati is one of my favorite, although in our local people eat 28-29 rice. It's very popular because it's cheap for buying, due to the high price of basmati. This is the reason people cheap and people like. But I also like looks like beautiful. Basmati rice is not like beautiful, it also looks every seeds of this. If you just carefully look at this seed, you'll see understanding everything properly, because it's like very thin and very large arrow others compared to other normal paddy. This is the fact of this rice. And this video I've just talked about this basmati paddy shortly, and this video must help you to know about this. I hope, but from this video you'll get different kind of perspective information. This video, I hope this video must learn you something different new, obviously. And come back to another video very soon, and for that time watching my video, and come back to a new video very soon. Assalamu alaikum.